Guku ni kwa Kikuyu podcast. MP wa Mathira Eric Wambubi augite o ati hena project arenda guthi kuhingura hakwi na mucii kwa Rigathi wa Gachagua, na project iyo arauga atiriri ni ya mai na ni ya mbeca nyingi. Arauga atiriri hingo iyo kana muthenya ucio agathi launch project iyo ati ni arenda ukana invite Rigathi wa Gachagua. Kiuria kinene atiriri Rigathi wa Gachagua no athie thainie wa mucemanio ucio wa Wambubi yatiriri niki Wambubi tha ciothe aenda kuona tarathima na hinya na Rigathi wa Gachagua. You see, these people should know that Rigathi Gachagua is not their equal. Mundu weterwo ni Kenyang'ima arie ahore matigo ni riu aenda ati amo invite aenda guthimana na Kenya kuria Mathira. Gachagua is a national leader. Gachagua is not their equal. Niki Wambubi aregia na invite yo. Of course Rigathi wa Gachagua ndagitikira guthie athi gwika ati onoko ni hau hake egukwa inyihitia muno eko onenetie uria munini muno. No, he is not there equal. Wa Eric Wambubi ararikete kago ni thiko igire thiru His Excellency Rigathi wa Gachagua rikana muthenya uyu arikago arikuhena basari kuria Mathira hakwina kwa Rigathi wa Gachagua niguo eraga Rigathi wa Gachagua tiri ati ni akamo invite thini wa project hiyo. Kaliko His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua, these are your neighbors, your Munyoro immediate neighbors. I went to give them bursary checks, but they ordered me to do kama kawaida. Okay, next week I'll be in your village to launch constructions of Hika water project, 100 million worth project. You know it. You are not able to do that project despite being very instrumental in your neighbors. Now the project has been fully funded. Okay, I'll do a meeting of around 3,000 people, your neighbors, and wameniambia I carry rice and beans packages. Ati ru aya na neighbors a mundu gwitora Rigathi wa Gachagua na timenera Wambubi atiriri ati agakoria agakuwa bosho na mucere. Rikana Rigathi wa Gachagua ni ari uhoro wa bosho ici na mucere uyu na akira andu mutikare bosho icio. Okay. Sasa my friend, before that meeting, do a meeting at Iroli Secondary School and get a response from your neighbor and ask them whether I should come with food packages as we launch the construction of 1,000 water project. Or let's do this. I will officially invite you to my meeting and I will ask them in your presence. Rigathi wa Gachagua terere ati Rigathi wa Gachagua etane meeting iyo oye ndo terere kana magathie agathie na kiria na bosho na mucere akamara terere kana ageka uguo presence-ini yake. Now oroyo awaririe muthenya wa Monday thura Rigathi wa Gachagua guka live kure Kameme mena gatonyo wa Mbugua na thura Rigathi wa Gachagua kwira andu matikari bosho cio na mucere ucio. Riu Wambubi kwira Rigathi wa Gachagua oi ne kuga atia nego kau reke ndike guthoma ashoka kauga I will send you an official invite to that meeting by 12 p.m. in Madamashi Henete. Instead of speaking through a radio station, let's do a meeting together. We settle this matter once and for all. Akamana terere hadu authi wareria maundu maya radio ni atireu magacemania maseto kiria kana gucanio makoretwo menayo mamerehe thi kana mame cool down na bemwe Wambubi hena undu oi higo ekwira andu ni guthi na mucere na mboco andu matingiraga niki thirikari ino ari ithetio itumite andu makoro mari haru ithetio mathukitie economy na andu matirona jina kindu gya kuria thaa ici. Some people gutake na mawira andu matirona kindu gya kuria mbeca gutire biashara zitiraruta wira yani kila kitu imeenda south akimenya era dunia uthi na mboco na mucere andu megukimwira uka nacio onoko cirahia uka tu nacio niki andu akiri athinu iyo ndo anastahili ajue that igava ako ni etumite andu mathini oguo na nikio andu aya maretikira mboco ici ona ciatuika ati citirahia no magecietia ona mucere gwatuika ati aga mucere uhuana andu no marawitia niki andu aya ai ni ahutu gitumi kia gitumite mahote niki ni undu wa regime ino wa Mubi ari na thirikari ino wa Mubi ari now kwa Rigathi wa Gachagua ni akamwita ai oria ndoguo ai Rigathi wa Gachagua is not his equal owa project here ai kuna maundu matangikwo ni uria Rigathi wa Gachagua e office atangihotire gwika maundu macio maybe ona hingo ari office ni ageretie maundu maingi muno no no arigagiriria Kinara uyu oi we mwene regime ino oi ithe ndarigagiria maundu maingi owe waka wai ni ugite thini wa budget bilioni iria ithathatu mugite ciaroketwo oi haziko allocated maundu maria Rigathi wa Gachagua apushagie cibaria ciria yote then ne projects eno Rigathi wa Gachagua kimupushaga Kinara na must go agetekeririe no not at all so from my point of view mundu wetwo Eric Wamubi ni atige guthima na hinya na mundu ti Rigathi wa Gachagua Rigathi wa Gachagua is not his equal Rigathi wa Gachagua ni mundu munene ni mundu ina igweta inene ni mundu is a national leader as we speak Rigathi wa Gachagua is a national leader so Wamubi mundu maya mothe araria akenda kuhuthia Rigathi wa Gachagua tondu yo ni kumuhuthia ni abati amenye Rigathi wa Gachagua is not his equal Rigathi wa Gachagua is a national leader in fact he is the opposition leader uria aratamburikana thini wa bũrũri wothe andu marenda tu kuigua Rigathi wa Gachagua akiaria na agicokeria must go hawatambui mwingine is a opposition leader in fact Rigathi wa Gachagua ni akuita opposition without Rigathi wa Gachagua hiyo opposition haingekuwa in fact ingekuwa ilikufa kitambo ona gutira mundu ungiraria in fact mageigerie gwa ni magimenetio na thirikari ino tiganegere Rigathi wa Gachagua ko impeachwo na kumira akonekana na hinya mwingi ni kuthirio na Matiang'i ndagiroka niki ni guoya niga mundu witwo Kalonzo ndangihota kwaria thaici nigana ingemeretio ni thirikari niki ni guoya but Rigathi wa Gachagua ni ana beba hao wote ni atumita mukona sleepless night is very strong so I think Wamubi hiyo anajaribu kucheza mazi Rigathi is not his equal by the way atuambie ukweli Rigathi is not his equal Rigathi ligi ya athakira ni ligi ingi iguru muno ligi ya juu sana in fact daishi must go na muogopa must go na Rigathi wa Gachagua aria akahauka aigua Rigathi wa Gachagua kana Rigathi wa Gachagua live akahauka akaigua kwani kunaenda aje ameenda kunianika tena nini ameenda kubomoa nini it is what it is huko ni kwa Kikuyu podcast thank you god bless you